Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily delete an Instagram account. For this, we want to open Instagram. So, click on Instagram. After clicking, Instagram will start to open in front of you. Once Instagram is open in front of you, here, we will see how we can temporarily delete our Instagram account. For this, go to the bottom of your screen, and then you'll see the button for profile. So, click on it. After clicking, the profile will be open in front of you. When it's open, go to the upper right corner of your screen, and you will see 3 lines right here. Click on the 3 lines that are available right here. After tapping, a menu will open in front of you. In this format, just click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, it will open up to you. In Settings and Privacy, you will see a button for Personal Details. So, click on it. After clicking, Personal Details will open in front of you. Once it's open, where you will click on Account Ownership and Control. After tapping on Account Ownership and Control, that section will open in front of you. Once it's open, where you will click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it. After clicking here, you will choose your account where you want to temporarily deactivate. So, click on your account. After clicking on your account, here, we will temporarily deactivate. So, click on Deactivate Account. After clicking, just click on Continue available below. After clicking on Continue, here, you will just put your password of your Instagram account. After writing your password, right here, go to the bottom, and you will see a button right here, Continue. Click on it. After clicking here, Instagram is asking why you are deactivating your account. So, click on your reason. After clicking on your reason, scroll down right here, and then you will see a button Continue. Click on it. After clicking here, you will see a button Deactivate Account. If you click on it, your account will be temporarily deactivated on Instagram. That's the way to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video.